everyone. Today I'm going to be doing lesson 123 for Blue Group, and I hope you had a good weekend. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing identifying perpendicular lines, and yeah, we're just going to get started with it. So we've already talked about parallel lines, and we know that parallel lines are two lines that are never going to cross or intersect with each other. Today we're going to talk about perpendicular lines, which those lines do cross or intersect with each other. And on my board, I have a couple of different examples of perpendicular lines that we're going to look through together. And then we're going to go through our worksheet together that's in your book for lesson 123. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I have this line right here, which as you can see is crossing, and this is a line. And then right here, you can see that these two are also crossing, which is a line segment. And then I've got another example right here. And then this one right here is also a perpendicular line because it eventually is going to cross in. This line right here is eventually going to cross into this line right here. So it's not parallel. And then here is also another line segment that is perpendicular. All right, let's get started with the worksheet. So for the first part of the worksheet, it has these boxes. And so when we talked about our parallel lines, we had these letters and we had talked about these letters. Well, this time you're gonna write them again. So you're gonna write A, E, H, I, K, L, M, N, T, V, W, X, Y, and I put F there because I forgot it in the beginning. So just put it up where it's supposed to go. And then Z. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go through each of these letters. You can stop the video and do this and get a red crayon for parallel lines and then get a green crayon for the perpendicular lines and trace those lines out now. And I'll see you when you get back. And so I know I changed scenery, but we're just gonna roll with it. So on your paper, you should have your parallel lines in red and then your perpendicular lines in green. And so we're gonna fill out this chart together. And so first we're gonna figure out which letters are parallel and perpendicular. So they have parallel lines segments and perpendicular line segments. Which ones are those? Can you tell me? Look on your chart if you don't know. Good job. It is letter E, letter F, letter H, and letter I. So in the middle, I'm going to put E, H, F, and I. Okay, so I put these letters in the middle because they have both perpendicular and parallel line segments in the letters. So which letters only have parallel line segments in them? So that means they only have red lines. Good job. So there are 4 also. So you should have M, N, W, and Z. So I'm going to put those on the parallel side. Lastly, which letters only have perpendicular lines? Good job. L and T. Those are the only 2 that have only perpendicular lines. So we're going to stick those on the perpendicular side. Your Venn diagram should look like this. And we're going to move on to the next part. Next section, you're going to need a green crayon or marker, an orange crayon or marker, a yellow crayon or marker, and a blue crayon or marker. So first we're going to start with yellow, and it wants you to find the horizontal line and color it yellow. So horizontal lines, color them yellow. So remember, horizontal lines go like this. So find those and then color them yellow. So we are going to think of these as streets, and each of these lines is going to have a street name. So you get to pick your own street name. So for the horizontal line that you just colored yellow, name it whatever you want. Next, we are going to do oblique lines. And remember, oblique lines kind of go at an angle. And we are going to color those orange. So I'm going to color my oblique lines orange now. So I colored my oblique line orange. And just like you did with your yellow line, you're going to name it something different because it's going to be another street. Next, we're going to trace the vertical line on the left. Important information, vertical line on the left. So a vertical line goes up and down, and remember, it's on the left side. So when you're looking with your fingers, and if you need help, the finger or the hand that's making an L is your left hand. So you're going to do it on the left side. You're going to color that green. And I'm going to do that now. Lastly, we're going to color the right vertical line blue. And you will also give those streets names as well. All right, so my paper looks like this, and hopefully your paper looks like this as well, with all of your street names. Which of your streets are parallel? Good job. Which of your streets are perpendicular? Good job. Okay, that is all. So start your side A, side B, and then your math sheet, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.